Hi everyone, you're watching Hestia Sweet, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a delicious meringue. First, we're gonna separate 3 room temperature egg white and mix them. Now the egg whites are starting to froth up. I'm adding half of granulated sugar, which will dissolve into the meringue nicely. But here is a deal, you can't just dump the sugar in. You want to add it so slowly. If you just dump the sugar in, it's never gonna have the beautiful pipe ability. Now go on until it becomes to soft thick form. Look at it, this is the soft thick. Now I'm adding the rest of the sugar so slowly and mix them to get the stiff peak form. Look at it, it's a stiff peak. That's exactly what you want. Now I'm using powdered sugar and mix it with a spatula. Try to do this so slowly. As you see, I didn't use vanilla because it's gonna darken the meringue, but if that bothers you, you can use almond extract because you wanna have some flavoring. I'm doing 2 batches. One is gonna be blue. I'm using a blue gel food coloring. And the other one is gonna be pink. Taking a little bit with a skewer. Now my piping bag are ready. We're gonna pipe this onto a parchment lined baking sheet. I'm using 846 tip and then 869 tip. In this way you can make everything you want. Look, I'm squeezing just like maybe half an inch above the surface and then lifting up. Now it's time to insert the wooden stick. You can place the wooden stick before the piping. Now I'm using some sprinkles and pearls to decorate the meringue. After that, place them into the oven, center rack, in 200 degrees for an hour. Then leave the oven closed. Don't even open it for an additional hour. That's it. It's so crunchy and it just melts in your mouth. Dear friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.